Hey guys, so today I have a box that I've not had for a couple of months now, and that is Witchbox. Now, if you've not seen me open this before in the past, it's a monthly subscription box. It is a UK based box, but they do post it worldwide. The box is £20.83 plus postage. So obviously wherever you are, that is going to be a lot different, but the box in general is £20.83. Very random number. This one I believe is the September box. I've not opened it and looked through it yet or anything, so we are just kind of opening this together. So when you open it, it says magical secrets lie within, exclusive and hand-picked items brought to you by Witchbox. I'll put all of the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. And yeah, it is the September box. So the theme for this one is Angelic Magic, and it says that there is a history of angels in magic traditions, etc. These are suitable for vegetarians and they use recyclable or eco-friendly packaging. So this is a list of all the items that come in the box and like information about it and everything. I'm not going to read off that though unless I need to. I'm just going to show you. You do get a little card in each box which tells you how to use the items throughout the month. So it'll say week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and it'll say like when to do different things. I'm assuming it's to do with maybe like moon phases and all that different kind of stuff sometimes. So that is what this little card is. And then we get to the items in here. So the first thing that I'm seeing right on the top is Angelic Magic Tea. It says it's a black tea blend for the soul. Add 2 to 3 grams to slightly cooled boiled water and steep for 3 to 4 minutes. This has white chocolate in it, which sounds amazing. I'm not a fan of like flavored teas, fruit teas, anything like that, but white chocolate though. It also has almond in it and cocoa butter and stuff. Kind of sounds really nice. So I might actually for once give this tea a go. So that is our Angelic Magic Tea. Then next we've just got some little spell candles. So in here there is 6 black spell candles. It says that these are good for meditation and allowing us to reach deep into the subconscious. They're also good for protection spells. So that is those. Then next we have a 7 Archangel seal necklace. This isn't massively my kind of thing just because it's so gold. I'm not really a gold kind of person. It's not showing up great because of my light, but you can kind of see it there. So this says, this stunning necklace has been designed by us and made exclusively for our subscribers. It features the seals of the 7 archangels. This is an ancient and powerful magical symbol. Wear it during rituals or to increase your personal protection and magical ability. So that is what this little necklace looks like. Hopefully you can see it. Then next we have a little pouch which has cards in it. I always love getting cards in boxes. I just find them really interesting and a lot of them are always really pretty. So this is a set of angelic oracle cards apparently. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different cards. They're all white with gold metallic writing and pictures, and then on the back they are black and white like this. So for example, Michael the Protector. The angel Michael is a strong angel concerned with truth and justice. This card may mean that you will have dealings with the police, success in a court case, or that the truth will show itself to you. So obviously this is kind of one of those where you can draw a card and see if it kind of relates to something in your life, or you can use them in a past, present and future sort of situation. So there is those. Then next we have this little tissue paper parcel. So I will open it up. So this is an angel wings offering dish apparently. And it says this beautiful small dish can be used to hold incense blends, florals or other small offerings on an altar or a special place. So it's a very cute little angel wing dish. Then next we have a little pouch with a crystal in it, and this is a Serpentine Crystal, apparently. Kind of like a weird yellowy green kind of colour, sort of like a limey green colour. And it's got some other bits of grey and stuff going through there. This one is super long, so I'll try and just kind of say a few bits about it. So it says it can be found in a variety of greens. It can resemble snakeskin and it can be mistaken for jade. It's an excellent stone for meditation and spiritual connection and can help with communication to the spirit world. It helps with balancing emotions, promoting a calm and peaceful mood. The Romans made cups out of serpentine and believed the cup would shatter if it contained poison, etc. So that is our crystal for the month. Then next we've got a big box. This is like the biggest thing in here really. And this says Spell Kit for Success on the top. So let's have a look. Okay, there's not actually loads in here. I'm not sure why it's in like a big posh box, but we have a little white candle, a little wooden like leaf or feather, I'm assuming, a mini little pencil, and then our instructions. So I will quickly hold this up just in case anyone wants to read it. So it just says a spell to aid you to success in any venture. And this is the instructions in case you want to pause. Hopefully you could actually see that. Oh, there's actually a little gold paper clip in here too. I missed that out, so that must be part of the little spell. Then we have some incense sticks. I've actually not had incense sticks in ages now. It feels like other boxes have stopped doing them. So these are Ylang Ylang for Angel Magic. Sweet floral warm scent, apparently. I would definitely say that. They are very like floral but quite sugary. So that is those. There's 20 in there. Then we have a little art print, which looks like this. It says, congratulations to our art competition winner Linda for designing this beautiful piece. We have, very weird, an angel parking space spell. So this is a common spell where there are dozens of variations that you can adapt to suit yourself, apparently. When visiting a place where it's difficult to find a parking space, call upon the angels by saying out loud, "Angels guide me, let there be a parking space reserved for me." Then visualize an empty space just waiting for you and use your intuition to be guided to where the space is located. It's important that you absolutely believe there is a parking space available for you, and once you have parked, thank the angels for their help. So that is that. I hope that that will work outside of my house because the flat downstairs have 2 cars and they take up both spaces, so that would be very nice. And the last thing is a little scroll. So I will hold this up in case anyone wants to read it. Throwing it around. This one is a history of angels and magic. So is what this says. Very tiny writing. Hopefully it's showing up if you want it to. So yeah, that was everything in the September witch box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had the little art print, the angel parking space spell, the black spell candles, the necklace, the little pack of cards, the serpentine crystal, the incense sticks, the tea with white chocolate, the little angel wing offering dish, the spell kit for success, and the scroll. So all of these items in the September witch box. Definitely quite a cute one. Some of these things aren't massively my thing, honestly, like the necklace and stuff, but I think the cards are really cute and the crystal is quite nice and stuff like that. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all of the information in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.